Alright guys, let's continue here with question 7. The question says the diagram below shows the spotlight at point B, which is mounted 12 meters directly above point C. Here we are from point C, there is point C there, and then at the front of the field the spotlight swings 44.3 degrees. There we see the angle there from the vertical light to illuminate another point D, which is this point right here, and then the midpoint of AC. So point D, it is in the middle of AC. I'm going to say it again. Point D, it is in the middle of AC. So therefore it means this side AC, therefore this means AD, it's equal to DC. They're equal because of D is the midpoint. All right, so let's go to the question 7.1. Calculate the length of DC. So they want us to calculate this length here of DC. Okay, we're gonna come here, say 7.1. okay, 7.1, we've got a right angle triangle here. I'm just gonna take it out from that diagram, make it simple for you guys to see. Here we go. We have got a D there, we have got a C there, and then we've got point B there. Right, so our angle here is 44.3. okay, they are looking for this length here, and then here is 12. So if you have a look at this, is a right angle triangle. So if it's a right angle triangle, we have to use SOHCAHTOA. We have to use SOHCAHTOA. Here we go. All right, so now if we have a look at this one here, which one? This is what? This is adjacent, and this is opposite to the angle. This is opposite, this is opposite, and then this is adjacent. So out of this, which ones has got opposite and adjacent? It is this one here. It has got opposite here and adjacent is there, so it's going to be tan. So therefore we're gonna come here and say tan which angle? This angle that is here, 44.3 is equal to opposite. What is opposite? Opposite is DC, that's what we're looking for, over adjacent, which is equals to 12. Therefore what you do here, you can cross multiply DC times 1, because here is as good as over 1 is going to be DC, and then therefore 12 tan 44.3. okay, if you put 44.3 in our calculator, is going to give us DC is 12 tan 44.3 is going to give us 11.71 meters, which is the length of DC. So now we can come here and say we have successfully done that. So it's going to be 11.71 meters, but however, remember they said they are equal, so therefore even this side is going to be 11.71. okay, great stuff. So now let's come here, and then are saying we need to find 7.2. 7.2 says calculate through how many degrees the light must swing in order to in order to illuminate point A. All right, so they are asking us or they said we must calculate theta. All right, so now they are asking us how far must the light swing. So if you were to calculate this theta here using angle, this angle here, angle AB, DB, and this one, so let's just draw it here, this angle here, let's just draw it. So that's A there, that's D, therefore that's B. I want to show you guys something, because here we have got 11.71, and then here you have got theta alone there. So these are the only information you have on this now as it is. These are the only information that you have. You've got nothing else. So can you see that if we were to use this triangle, you are going to be limited because you have very little information. All right, So now let's see now what else can we use. We can't use this one here because we are looking for theta, but we can use the overall triangle, which is triangle A, B, and C. Okay, the bigger triangle, because on the bigger triangle, let me write it here, 7.2. On the bigger triangle, this is what you have. On the bigger triangle, this is what you have here. You're going to have B, C, then for A. So here you've got 12, and then here you're gonna add these two together. They are going to give us 11.71 plus 11.71 is going to give us 23.42, and then you don't know this angle here. Okay, but at least you've got two sides. All right, so if it's like this, you can apply again. You can use we can use a SOHCAHTOA again in this case. So let's come here and see which one can we use that has got opposite, because this is opposite again, and adjacent, opposite and adjacent here, and then will give us the angle. All right, so which one has got opposite and adjacent? It is again is tan. So we're gonna come here and say tan angle B, because we're looking for this whole angle here, is going to be given by opposite, which is 23 over 42 over what? Adjacent. Okay, so that's it. So now, you know guys, if we're looking for an angle, we have to say what? Go to our calculator and say shift tan is going to be 23.42 all over 12. All over 12. Okay, I hope you guys can see there. There you go. So if we were to put this into our calculator to find this angle B, is going to give us an angle of, okay, I'm getting 62.87 degrees. If you are given a different answer, please let me know on the comment section below, or if you are confused, let me know. We will discuss thereof, but please make sure that when you state your question, please let me know that this is coming from either 7.2 or 7.1, so that I can easily understand where you are asking your question. All right, so now once you have this, it means now what we basically have calculated, we calculated this whole angle, the whole of this angle. Now it is what? It is 62.87. So now you are only looking for this one, so therefore it means theta will have to be equals to the difference between the two. Okay, so it's just going to be 62.87 degrees minus 44.3, therefore, which gives us 18.57 degrees. So this is the angle of the theta. All right, so in order for the line to shine as positive, the light, now you can tell them that the light, you can come here and say the light must swing, the light must swing how much? The light must swing, the light must swing 18.7 degrees, 18.57 degrees to shine or to illuminate, to illuminate point A. Okay, and that will be that, guys. And then simply just following the basics, the right angle triangle, and also following the ratios, sine opposite over hypotenuse, cos adjacent over hypotenuse, tan opposite over adjacent. So those are the critical basics that you must not forget, because you are going to need them in grade 11 and also in grade 12. I am Gaston Mapala. Let me see you on the next upload, where we'll be doing question 18.